Hi everyone, welcome back to the course. This is the moment you have been waiting for. We are about to write your very first line of JavaScript code, and I know what you are thinking. Finally, let's do this. And you're absolutely right. Today's lesson is going to be a short, sweet, and incredibly satisfying because by the end of this video, you will have officially become a JavaScript programmer. How cool is that, right? So let's not just waste any time. Let's jump right in. Now, if you have learned any programming language before, you probably know about the Hello World tradition. It's like an rite of passage for programmers. The tradition started back in the 1970s, and ever since then, the first program anyone write in a new language is usually one that display Hello World on the screen. Why? Because it's simple, it works, and it's proof that everything is set up correctly. Plus, there is something magical about seeing your code come to life for the first time. So today, we are going to honor that tradition to display our hello world message. We are going to using something called console.log. Now, what is console.log? Think of it as a JavaScript way of talking to you. It's a function that prints or display information to the browser console or terminal. Trust me, you are going to use this a lot throughout your JavaScript journey for testing, debugging, and checking what your code is doing. The syntax is super simple. It's look like this. You already see console log. That's it. Console, then a dot, and then log, then parenthesis. It's called the parenthesis. Whatever you put inside those parentheses will be displayed in the console. All right. Now you type this exactly as I do. I want to break down it little bit. Console log is the function we are calling. This is a function we are calling, and these parentheses are where we pass our message. Hello world. This hello world is string because the text are wrapped in quotation marks. And note the semicolon at the end, that's the optional in JavaScript, but it is a good habit to have if you are following this. Now save the file, open your terminal. Now write the correct file location. So you are moving to this location, and right now I'm in the JS course folder. This is my folder location, and in this folder I have only one file, hello world. Also, when I click this, you see there is a hello world. Now we are typing node, it already suggested hello world. Okay, it doesn't matter if you are given the .js after the file name, or if you didn't even write this .js extension name or name, it doesn't matter. Compiler understand what you are writing. So enter. Okay, something. Okay, maybe spelling mistake. Yeah, spelling mistake. You see, I this mistake this spelling. Okay, next again. Hello world. Now type node hello world and enter. You see the text messages are already showing here. Hello world. We can try different. So just copy it and paste it. So what I can write here. So okay. I'm learning JavaScript. Save this file, go to your terminal and log this again. You see, I'm learning JavaScript already showing your terminal console. Actually, it's called the console where it's actually seen. Okay. Now let's have some fun and experience a little bit. You can log anything you want. So try something more. So I copy, paste. That's simple. Goodbye. Okay. Go to your terminal and type again and enter. All the console log are typing already here. So next, obviously, whenever you are typing something or try to console log, please save this file. Otherwise, it not showing in your console. So we are just typing a string here, and it is a double quotation. What happened if we are doing in single quotation? So copy and just single quote and enter, and I did multiple time the exclamatory sign and save and go to the terminal and enter. See what it means? The single quotation and double quotation, it doesn't matter. The string are showing here. Now we can also log the number. Okay, so console log when, okay, at first 45 or 2025. Let's see. But notice something, no quotation mark around numbers. That's because number are a different data type which we will cover in upcoming lesson. You can even do simple math here. So console log like 10 plus 5 again, whatever it is, give it, just type and fill, do something fun. Okay, so go to your terminal, write, type your file's name and enter. See, 15, 50, 2, 5 number are already showing in your terminal. And did you see 15, 50 and 2 and 5, right? Okay, great. And JavaScript, and you already, I hope you already understood that JavaScript will calculate it and show you the result. And how cool is that, right? Here is the another trick. You can log multiple things at once and separate them with commas. And what it means, just console log it. Okay, then give a comma and space 2025, then again comma, again string, right? Okay, save it, go to your terminal and type your file name, and boom, it's showing here, right? Great. That means JavaScript will display all of them in the console separate by space. Now let me quickly show you some common mistake beginner make so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1. So before typing the mistake, I just give me a time. I just note down the mistake. Here is a more than 5 to 6 mistakes you can get most of the time. It's common, okay? So what is common mistakes? Mistakes. Mistakes number one. It's a forgetting the quotation mark. Okay, this is the mistakes. So I comment it out. This thing, this is a mistake. It's a common mistake. Okay, and mistake number two. Number two, spelling error. And what is the spelling error is? Suppose console.log. Did you see? I didn't, no, not this. Console.log and then this. This is a mistake. You miss the console. Okay. Sometimes you also did here like that. Mm, bracket mistakes. If you did this, then the error are showing, but okay, not this. This. Okay. Did you see? This is the another mistake. Like bracket, multiple bracket are used. I mean parenthesis you are using, and okay. Next is another mistake. If third mistake is mistake number three, not opening the console. Or it means if you don't see anything on your web page, that's normal. Console log doesn't display on the page itself, only in the browser console or terminal console. So always remember to open your developer tools from the browser and from terminal. When you go to your location, don't forget to type before the file name is node, because we are running the console, I mean JavaScript, in outside the browser. So that's why we need node, and that's why the previous video we already installed the node.js, right? So this is the mistake we commonly do. Okay. Also, another mistake we sometimes did, but it's called console log, and in the quotation we are typing true, I mean the boolean value. But if console.log type the true, it means this is a string, this is not a boolean value. Okay, so for the boolean value we need to type this true and false without quotation. So this is another mistake we did. Mistake number 4, forgetting the boolean value are not in the quotation. Okay, okay, that's it. So it would be like this. Okay, save it. Okay. Now, all right. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. You wrote your first JavaScript code, and you should be proud of that. Console.log is your best friend for displaying information and debugging code. You can log a string, text in quotation, obviously, numbers, and even the expression that JavaScript will evaluate. Okay, always check the browser console or your terminal console. Right now we are in you just seen in your terminal. Okay, for output, pay attention to syntax, quotation marks, parentheses, and spelling all matters. Now I want you to pause the video and play around the console log. Write less than 5 to 10 different console log statement. Print your name, your age, your favorite code, some math calculation, whatever you want. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become with your writing code. In the next lesson, we are going to dive into a variable, one of the most fundamental concepts in programming. You are going to learn how to store and work in data in JavaScript. But for now, celebrate the moment. You are officially a JavaScript programmer. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below and let me know what did you print with your first console log. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep coding and stay awesome.